welcome to today's tip. I'm going to be making another pumpkin today just because it's Halloween and it's super exciting. I've just die cut out a circle here and I've got my carved pumpkin Distress Oxide. What a perfect colour to have for this. I'm just going to put my circle in the middle, but before I go in and start colouring it in, what I am going to do is I've just put some lines for the bottom of the pumpkin here and I'm going to cut them out, because then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put them at the bottom of each of my top and bottom of my pumpkin, like so. So it will be, that's the part you need to pull out. You don't want to pull that part out because that's the pumpkin, but this is the bit that we're going to actually use the dye for and colour in. Okay, now I'm going to pull everything away and then you're left with, you should be left with some kind of pumpkin. Now this is going to be a really nice flash pumpkin. So what I've done is, left over from my pumpkin that I was making last time using my sticky foam pop-up tape, I'm going to give him some lovely black embossing. But before I do, I need to dry off my carved pumpkin Distress Oxide. Okay, so I've put my watermark Versamark ink on there and then I'm going to put it directly into the middle, and then I'm going to go in with my black embossing powder. Okay, once that's dry, I'm then going to go in, add my stalk, and then, which is again made out of that foam tape, and then just finish off with a couple of black lines just to really highlight the shape. And there we have our lovely embossed pumpkin ready for Halloween.